Okay, when a baseball is hit by a batter, the height of the ball h of t at time t, where t is greater than or equal to 0, is determined by the equation, this guy right here. For which interval of time is the height of the ball greater than or equal to 52 feet? So we're going to use our graphing calculator to solve this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a document. It's already open. So I'm going to take my equation and plug it in. Negative 16 x squared. I'm not going to use t because this graph is in terms of x and y. Plus 64x plus 4. And we're going to just graph it. And it looks like this because my window is not big enough. So that's all right. I'm actually going to add another graph because what we're going to do is we want to figure out when is the ball at a height greater than 52 feet. And 52 feet is going to be up here somewhere. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my window. And we're going to zoom out. And we'll make this our center. We're going to zoom out some more. We'll make this our center. Actually, we'll make this up here because it's upside down. A little bit more. There we go. So that is our graph. It looks kind of silly because it goes way up and then way down. So we're going to add another graph. We're going to hit escape, menu. No, not menu, escape. We're going to hit tab. That's going to bring our graph back up. So we just want where time is 52. So we got 52. It's going to give us a line. Yep. And we want to figure out the intersection of this graph and this line here. So how are we going to do that? Because that's going to tell us when is it going to be at 52 feet, and then we can just determine the length of time, because for which interval of time we want to figure out length of time is the ball between, or is the ball above 52 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go menu. We're going to go analyze graph intersection, and we want our lower bound to be here, our upper bound to be here, and so our points of intersection is 352. So they tell us 352 is the intersection between this parabola and this line. That's one of them. So we know 352 is one of them. So let's try and find the other one. Analyze graph, intersection, lower bound here, upper bound here. Let's see, what's the other one? 152. So it hits above 52 feet at 1 second and 3 seconds. Let's just double check. How can we do that? We can take these numbers and plug them in and make sure we actually get 52. So let's take 1 and make sure that we did it correctly. So negative 16 times 1 squared is negative 16 plus 64 plus 4. 64 plus 4 is 68 minus 16 is in fact 52. So that's good. Let's check 3. Three squared is 9. Negative 16 times 9 is negative 144. 64 times 3 is 192 plus 4. 192 minus 44, or 192 minus 144 is 48 plus 4, which is 52. So this is good. Okay. So the interval of time between 1 second and 3 seconds. So we want to say between 1 second, t, not x, t, and between 3 seconds. And that is our answer.